Welcome to Alphanumerictricks. Today we are going to see NCERT solutions of CBSE Class 8 Maths. Chapter number 2, Linear Equations in One Variables, exercise 2.2. First problem, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you will get 1 by 8. What is that number? We have to find out that number. So what is our question? We have to find one number. So let the number be x. We have to write like this. Let the number be x. Okay, that is your unknown. We have to find out that number. So you take that number be x. After that, what is our condition given? If you subtract 1 by 2 from that number, so you have to subtract 1 by 2 from this number and multiply the result by 1 by 2. After subtracting this number, so this is not a whole number, so you have to put a bracket. So after subtracting this number by half, you have to multiply the result by 1 by 2. That result is multiplied by 1 by 2. That is our given condition. So if you do this calculations, what is your result? You get 1 by 8. That is our question. Okay, so which is equal to 1 by 8. So question is, we have to find out one number. That is number we have taken to be x. Okay, that number is taken to be x. And what is our condition? If you subtract 1 by 2 from the number, any number you have to subtract 1 by 2. So that is x is subtracted by 1 by 2 and multiply the result by 1 by 2. So after subtracting 1 by 2 from any number, you get one result. Okay, so this result is not known to us and it is in an algebra, so that's why you have to put a bracket here into that multiplication. 1 by 2 you have to put, which is equal to 1 by 8. We get the, after this simplification or after this calculation, we get the result is 1 by 8. So using this equation, we have to find out the number x. Okay, so we will try to solve this equation. First we have to take this 1 by 2 inside. So 1 by 2 into x, or you can take it to be x by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, or you have to take x by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into 2 is taken as 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, after that, here you have to take this number to other side, where you keep a variable to one side and numbers to other side. So 1 by 8, you have to take this minus 1 by 4 to other side, or transposing this 1 by 2 to other side, your right hand side, it becomes plus 1 by 4 is taken, minus 1 by 4 is taken to other side, it becomes plus 1 by 4. Okay, you have x by 2 is equal to, we have to take the LCM for this number. So 8 into, here we have only 8 is there and 4 is there. So LCM is taken as 8. Okay, so here 1 and 4 and 2, that is 4 and 8 LCM is 8. That you know that, isn't it? So we have 8 is the LCM. So here compare these two numbers, 8 is there. So you have to write 1 plus, here compare these two numbers. When you comparing these two numbers, you have to multiply this by 2, you get 8, isn't it? So you have to multiply and divide the numerator and denominator by 2 this number. That is, you have to multiply and divide by 2 this number. So that is taken here. Okay, so we have x by 2 is equal to 3 by 8, or you have x is equal to, this 2 is taken to other side, so 3 by 8 into 2, or here these two terms get cancelled, 4 times 2 is 8. So x is equal to 3 divided by 4. So the required number is 3 by 4. That is our answer. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so we will pass on to the next problem. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 centimeter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Okay, what are the length and breadth of the pool? We have to calculate length and breadth of the swimming pool, and regarding relationship between length and breadth is given in this line. Okay, the length is 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. If you know the breadth, that twice plus 2. Okay, that is your length. You have to calculate, take it. And perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool is 154 centimeter. That result is given to us. Using this, we have to calculate the length and breadth of the swimming pool. Suppose the swimming pool is a rectangular, it is given. So we have to take it to be length and breadth. What is perimeter? Perimeter of the swimming pool is 2 times length plus breadth. Okay. So we have length and breadth are not known to us. But it is a relationship between length and breadth is given. So we have to take the unknown to be x. Breadth of the swimming pool. The breadth of the swimming pool is x meter we take. Okay. And what about using the condition? We have to write the length. Okay. Length of the pool is we have to write. Okay, so length of the pool we have to write is length of the pool is equal to, here it is given, twice its breadth. What is breadth? Breadth is x meter. Twice its breadth na? So 2x you have to calculate. 2 meter more than the twice of its breadth. So plus 2 you have to add it. Okay. So length of the pool is twice of its breadth and also 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. 2 meter more than twice of its breadth. So we take breadth is x. Twice of its breadth, now you have to take it to be 2x, and that is added with 2, and that is more than twice. Okay, so that we take it to be 2x plus 2. Okay, and what is given in perimeter? Perimeter of the rectangular pool, perimeter of the rectangular pool is given to be 154 centimeter. Okay, 154 meter, not a centimeter. It is given in your book. It is given to be meter. So 154 meter. 154 meter. Okay, so using this formula, what is perimeter formula? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, isn't it? 2 into L plus B is your perimeter. 2 into L plus B is equal to your 154 centimeter. It is given. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to this 154. And then what about length? Length is, we just now write it, 2x plus 2. Length is 2x plus 2. What about breadth? Breadth is x meter, isn't it? Breadth is x meter is equal to this 154. Okay. Or you have 2 times 2x plus x is 3x. Okay. 2x plus x is 3x. 3x plus 2 is equal to 154. There is 2 times 3. 2 times, when you write 2 times the bracketed value of 3x plus 2, meaning is 2 is multiplied by these two numbers. That is the meaning of this line. Okay, so you have to take multiplication for these two terms. So 2 into 3x, okay, plus 2 into 2 is equal to 154. Or you have 6x plus 4 is equal to 154. Or otherwise 6x is equal to 154. You have to take this plus 4 to other side, it becomes minus 4. So 6x is equal to 154 minus 4 is 150. Okay, and then x is equal to 150 divided by 6. 150 divided by 6. When you taking this to be the table, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. and 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Okay, 5 times 3 is equal to 15, and this 0 you have to write it, and here 2 times, and this is 2 2s are 4, and balance 1 and 1 is taken with 0, 10, 5 2s are 10, so 25. X is equal to 25. This is our value of X. What is X we taken? Breadth of the pool is X meter we are taking, so breadth of the pool is 25 meter. Okay, breadth of the pool is 25 meter. And what about the length? Length of the pool. We have to calculate length also, isn't it? Length of the pool, what is we taken previously? We take previously length is 2x plus 2, isn't it? So you have to substitute the x value here. 2x plus 2 is our length. So 2 into what is x? X is equal to 25 plus 2. So you have 2 into 25 is 50. 50 plus 2, which is equal to 52. So length of the rectangular pool is 52, and the breadth is 25 meter, and length is 52 meter. That is our answer. And the next one, the question is, the base of the isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 into 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? We have to calculate. So this is our question. We have to find out the length of the remaining sides. One side is given to be 4 by 3 centimeter. So this is our isosceles triangle, isn't it? This is our isosceles triangle. In this triangle, we have base is given to be 4 by 3 centimeter. Okay, base of this triangle is given to be 4 by 3 centimeter, and we have to find out the remaining two sides that are taken to be x. Okay, so we take that value to be x. So what we had to write here, the length of each of the equal sides of the triangle, you have to write it. Okay, length of equal sides of the triangle is x centimeter. We have to take, that is our unknown. So unknown is taken to be x. That is the value we have to find it out. Okay, that is the value we have to find it out. So we take that to be x centimeter. Okay, after writing this, we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter is given to be, the perimeter of the triangle is given to be 4 into 2 by 15 centimeter. That is given in our problem. Okay, so perimeter of the triangle is equal to 4 into 2 by 15 centimeter. It is given. Okay, what is perimeter formula? Perimeter is you have to add all the sides. That is the perimeter. Okay, so we have to add these two sides. Here this side, and this side we have to add it. So x plus 4 by 3 is equal to what is given? 4 into 2 by 15 centimeter is given. Okay, so we have to simplify this one. X plus x is 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to, you have to take the whole, multiply this and write it. 4 into 15 is 60. 60 plus 2, you have 62. Okay, 62 divided by 15, because when you write like this, simplification becomes easy. Okay, so you have to write like this. 4 into 15 is, you have to multiply this. 4 into 15 is 60. 60, you have to add this. 60 plus 2 divided by this 15. And you have to take this 4 by 3 to other side. So 2x is equal to, this is a number. So numbers are taken to other side. So 62 by 15. When you're taking this plus 4 by 3 to other side, it becomes minus 4 by 3. We are transposing 4 by 3 to plus to minus. Okay, so which is equal to 2x is equal to, we have to take the LCM. Here LCM, what is LCM? 15 and 3. 15 is your LCM, that you know that, isn't it? So 15 into 3. So here we have to write like this. 15 and 3. So here 3 is 3, you have to write it. So 5 times and this is 1 time. So 3 into 5 is your LCM. 3 into 5 is 15. That is your LCM. You have to take it. Okay. So 15 is your LCM, and compare these two terms. 15 here also 15, here also 15. So you have to write 62 as it is, minus here you have to compare these two numbers. How you make this 3 to 15? You have to multiply this by 5. You get 15, isn't it? So whenever you are multiplying this, you have to both the numerator and denominator, you have to multiply this by 5. So 4 in numerator also you have to multiply 4 into 5, which is 20. Okay. 2x is equal to 62 minus 20 divided by 15. What about 62 minus 20? That is 62 minus 20 is 42 divided by 15. 2x is equal to 42 divided by 15. What about x? X is equal to 42 divided by 15. When you're taking this x is in product, isn't it? When you're taking to other side, it becomes a division. It comes to the division. One denominator, it comes to the denominator. Suppose you have x's in the denominator, it goes to numerator. Okay, so you have to, that is multiplication comes to division, and the division comes to multiplication when you're transposing the numbers. So here you have what is this time? 2 times and 1 time. 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2. So we have 21, and this 21 cancel with this 15. So what about this? 5 times 3, isn't it? 5 times 3 is 15, and 7 times 3 is 21. So x is equal to 7 by 5, or you have this term can be written as how many times 7 is how many times 5? 1 time is 5, and what is remaining? 2. So that is, you divide 7 by 2. 1 times 5 and remaining 2. So you can write 1 into this 2 by 5. You have to write like this, 1 into this 2 by 5. The value of x is equal to 1 into 2 by 5 centimeter. That is the value of x. What is x? X is the length of the equal sides. So length of the equal sides of the triangle is 1 into 2 by 5 centimeter. 1 into 2 by 5 centimeter. Okay. And now we pass on to the next problem. Sum of two numbers be 95 if one number exceeds the other by 15. One number exceeds the other by 15. Find the numbers. We have to find the numbers. So we have to find the numbers. Let the number be x. We have to take it. Okay. So solution. We have to write the solution. Let the number be x. Okay. And what is given? If one number exceeds the other by 15. So what is other number? Other number b equal to exceeds the other number by 15. One number exceeds the other number by 15. So x plus 15 is your other number. Okay. And what is given? Sum of two numbers is 95. This condition is given in our problem. Sum of two numbers is 95. So one number is x, other number is x plus 15. So sum of two numbers is equal to 95. One number is known to us as x, other number is x plus 15. So this is equal to 95. These two sum is 95. Or 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. You have to write it. Or otherwise, you have to take this 15 to other side. Plus 15 goes to other side. It becomes minus 15. So you have 95 minus 15, which is what is my 95 minus 15? 95 minus 15 is 80. Okay. So 2x is equal to 80. And what about x? X is equal to, you have to take this 2 to the denominator because it is in product, so it gives to the denominator. So 80 divided by 2. 2x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 80 by 2. This times 4 times 8 is 2. So 40. X is equal to 40. Okay. So one number is, we have to find out two numbers, isn't it? So one number is 40. One number is 40. That is x is 40. What about other number? Other number is x plus, other number is equal to x plus 15 we are taking, isn't it? So we what is x value? X value is equal to 40. So 40 plus 15, which is equal to 55. So other number is 55. So the two numbers be read let the, therefore required numbers be 40 and 55. Okay. And the next problem is two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Okay. If they differ by 18, difference between these two numbers is 18 is given. What are the numbers? We have to find out those numbers. What are the numbers? We have to calculate it. Okay. Now we will write the solution for that. So let the numbers be, what is the ratio given? The numbers are in the ratio. What is now given? Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3, isn't it? Ratio 5:3. That is one number. Suppose the number is x, we take it to be the unknown number, we take it to be x. One number, the ratio is 5:3. So we have to take the two numbers be 5x and 3x. Okay. Because it is in the ratio 5:3. So one number is, we have to take x here. Okay. One number is 5x and the other number is 3x. Okay. And what is given? The difference between these two numbers is 18. Okay. Difference between two numbers is 18. That is 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. Okay. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. What is 5x minus 3x? That is 2x. So 2x is equal to 18. And x is equal to, you have to take this 2 to the denominator. So 18 by 2. And 9 times 2 is equal to 18. So x is equal to 9. Okay. But our number is in the ratio 5x and 3x, isn't it? That is 5:3. The numbers be 5:3. So two numbers B, we have to write like this. Two numbers B, 5x and 3x. But x value is 9. So substitute the values here. Therefore, two numbers B, 5 into 9 and 3 into 9. Okay, you have to substitute the numbers here. What is 5 into 9? 45. Okay, 5 into 9 is 45 and 3 into 9 is 27. So the two numbers be, therefore the required two numbers be 45 and 27. That's it for this video. We will see the remaining problems in the next class. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching. Thank you.